What's up, everybody? So today's video is about weight loss. Do you need to lose weight? You gotta do it quick. This video is for you. So one of my most frequently asked questions is, how can I lose weight quick? How can I lose my stomach? Newly single, trying to get a little makeover. I have a wedding coming up. I got a high school reunion. I got this, that, and the third. And I don't have time to go to the gym. I got the kids, I got work, I got so many things going on that I just can't make it. So today's video is how to lose weight in 20 minutes a day. All right, when you're doing these workouts, you want to do them for 45 seconds a piece, and then you want to rest for 45 seconds before moving on to the next one. You're going to cycle these twice, and at the end of this video, I'm going to list some things that you can cut out to speed up the process. All right, first things first, we have burpees. Yes, it's probably one of the worst workouts on the list. That's why it's first. If you guys aren't familiar with burpees, it is a push-up into a standing position, then you jump, then you go back down, and you repeat. It's a full body workout. Therefore, I feel like it'll activate the rest of your muscles and making the rest of these a little bit easier. It is a good workout for burning fat. Take your time with it, feel the workout, keep your heart rate up, and next workout. All right, next up we have lunges. Lunges are a leg workout. They're pretty good. I feel like those, along with squats, are one of the foundation workouts when it comes to legs. Make sure when you're doing these lunges that your knee does not shoot over your toe. You want to keep your legs at a 45-degree angle when you go down. You don't want to get injured. Make sure you stay at a nice moderate speed and go at your own pace. All right, next up we have jumping squats. When doing these, do not overshoot the knee. Don't let it overextend over your toe. It's like a squat. Just add a jump when you get to the top. Just jump and come back down controlled. Don't just throw your body up and down. Make sure you feel it in your legs and in your glutes. Keep your back straight, and you should be pretty good. All right, now we all did these in gym class. Next we have mountain climbers. Mountain climbers, you get down on your hands and you shoot your legs out, 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 up and out, up and out, up and out. Bring your knees in. Keep your core tight when you do these. All right, everybody, I'm gonna give you a nice little break on this one. Planks. Get down on your forearms and keep your back straight. Get on your toes as if you would do a push-up, and breathe. Feel the workout. Take your time with it. This is a nice little break, but your whole body's engaged. Keep your core engaged as well. Don't leave anything out, and hold that form. Next workout is b-boy kickouts. I call them that because it looks like something a b-boy would do. You're gonna go down on one side, you're gonna shoot your legs out. You're gonna go down on the other side, you're gonna shoot your legs out. You're gonna do this repeatedly. Make sure you push down on the palm of your hand, right here in the bottom, because you don't wanna injure your wrist doing these. So take your time with it until you master the movement. If you can't do the b-boy kickouts, there is a lighter version where you are just pretty much climbing back and forth, and you will feel that after a while. As you can see in the videos, I'm pretty sweaty, so these have been tested, and I think I'm in pretty good shape. So if I got a good workout from it, I don't see why you guys wouldn't either. Next one is simple enough. We have jumping jacks. We all did jumping jacks in gym, right? Well, after doing all these, I'm pretty sure you're gonna feel these jumping jacks. Have fun with it. And don't half-ass it. None of the little, bring your hands all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. Make sure you do these workouts. Like I said in my last video, if you're just going through the motions, you're just wasting your time, and you're not going to get the results you want. Just keep your heart rate up, go at your own pace, and take your time with it. 45 seconds. Jumping jacks. Next up, we have high knee raises. Now, if you saw my last video, you may be familiar with this. What you're going to do is you're going to run in place, but you're going to bring your knees up higher. You're going to exaggerate the run, and you're going to twist on each side as the knees come up. Keep your heart rate up, and don't forget to breathe. We have the dancing crab. You're gonna go down in a crab stance on the palms of your hands, and you're just gonna kind of do like a starfish crunch motion, where you bring your right hand to your left foot and your left hand to your right foot, and so on and so on. Make sure the movements are controlled and you're not just kicking out ridiculously and reaching and reaching and reaching. You don't want to throw your back out, you don't want to injure your wrist, throwing your hand back down onto the ground too hard because you're just dropping your weight. So keep these movements controlled. Next workout. All right, I'm gonna let you guys take a seat on this one. This is an ab workout. I don't really know what to call it. It's a mixture between oblique twist and V-ups. If you cannot do this workout, then just do the oblique twist and take your time with them. Don't go back and forth, rushing it. Don't just throw your body back and forth. Make sure you are doing controlled motions and movements. Because if not, you're wasting your time. That was actually the final workout, so no, it's not next workout. Now you guys are going to take a full 2-minute break, and then you're going to do the whole thing again. Guys, if you want to do an extra round, I definitely encourage it. Just don't hurt yourselves. I'm not sure this is mainly for beginners and people who don't have a lot of time to work out. This is for the day-to-day person. This is not for someone who's trained to be an athlete. So I just want to make that very clear to you guys, and I hope you understand it. Alright guys, so when it comes to the things that you guys can cut out to speed up the process, you can cut out juice, you can cut out soda, you can cut out chips, you can cut out cookies, pies, cakes, ice cream, candy, bread. If you want, you can cut out carbs. Another key component is you can up your water intake. That will definitely help drastically. So yeah, put your best foot forward, and if you guys enjoyed this workout, if you felt it, if you feel like that this can get you to the goal that you're trying to achieve, drop a comment and like and subscribe. Let me know how you feel about these. Give me some feedback so I know what you guys want. And I'll continue to try to do my best for you as long as you're honest with me. As always, I'll see you guys next time, and enjoy the rest of your day.